it, dude. What's happening, YouTube? About to go to make a grocery run real quick. Let's say thank you for the 26 followers, man. The channel's slowly growing. So appreciate it, guys. Thanks for following the build. Just want to give you guys an update. I'm still waiting for my exhaust. The exhaust is coming, guys. I've been waiting like 2 months for it. Actually over 2 months, going on 3. We don't know when it's coming in, so but it's on the way, guys. And I got some future plans for it. I definitely have a tune coming in for it. The tune is going to be, I want to hear some pops and crackles, so that'll definitely be in, guys. So let's go to the store. Yo, that cold start though. It's definitely much louder. PCDs are in. And actually, guys, the engine bay temperature, I believe, has gone down a bit more because you don't have that hot catalytic in there. I hear some guys that has a automatic trans like I do. They complain that they can't control on their first to second gear. I think if you have a 2012 and newer, I think they changed those. But if you have a 09 to like 2011, you have complete and once I put it on sports mode, once I drop it down to sports mode and I press the paddle shifters, I have complete control. That's like straight up manual, and I really don't mind it at all, man. I love it. Can't wait to get that exhaust, man. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Yeah, thanks again, guys, for subscribing again. I had no idea I'm gonna have this much subscribers. 26 though, that's crazy, yo. But hey, man, I'm trying to get at least 1,000. It's very reliable. I plan on keeping this thing as long as I can, and maybe in the future, maybe get like a GTR or something, you know, turbo boosted. You know what I mean? I think that'd be lit. I see you, Subi. I see you, dog. Rip it, dude. That's the red Rv6. Damn. That's Subi boys. See, I want a boosted car like that one day. Like this will be my great. This will be a great, reliable. Just, you know what I mean, do whatever with it. As you can see, previous videos, I had my kids in here, had tires in here, dude. Oh, I see another 4 GTL over there. It's like right there where my finger is. I know you see me, dog. Man, Lexus over there. IS300. That blue looks so nice. It's got really raspy, guys, since I put that PCDs in, but it's all good. It'll sound much better once I get that exhilarate in there. Damn, I see a racing, but family and kids waiting for me, man. Fuck it, I'm gonna go racing. Oh shit! Damn, dog, slow down. Let me catch up. Nice race. Ford Focus RS. It's kind of hard choice who won, man. I think I got the first pull on that one. But the first race he got me. Second race, I think I got him. That's like my second race, like having this car. My first race, I forgot what kind of car I raced. Oh, it was a Civic. It was a Civic Si. It was like a 8th gen Civic I raced, and yeah, he got smoked. He got gapped. But this was a pretty good race, guys. Some good content right here. Woo! My heart's all beating fast. Damn, y'all, a little shaky. Y'all better give him some more subs for this video, man. My family over there waiting for me. They thinking I'm getting movies and food right now and popcorn. I'm over here making YouTube content and racing for you guys. That was a good race, guys. Woo, man, got me so pumped up. I know a lot of people talk crap about the paddle shifting, but I love these things, to be honest. Like I would love to get a car that's a manual, but you know, the wife's got to learn. My wife's got to drive something that she can, you know. She doesn't know how to drive a manual, so one day, man, I'll get hopefully a GTR. Hey, it's that same Subi. What up, dog? He's probably looking for a race too, just like I am. Oh man. Anyways, yeah, man, so I'm gonna keep this car reliable. And I don't know about you guys, but I do oil changes around 30 to 40%. I don't go at 15, which Honda recommends, just because this car had its piston rings replaced because it was burning oil. So I'm just gonna change it at 30 or 40, just to be on the safe side, because I've seen several TLs that had that worn out camshaft, and I think it's due to like this burning oil. And since I got an automatic transmission, I don't wait every 30,000 miles. I just change it once it starts to look dirty. So that trans fluid I got in there definitely keeps it. I keep it clean, man. I keep it clean. Oh, is that a Supra, dog? That's a Supra, dog. Look at that Supra, bro. Is that a Supra, dog? Damn, it's just clean. It's much smaller in person. Oh, he parked way too far though. I'll park a bit closer.
This is a Chuki Beat production.
Oh, that'd be sick. Jeez, guys, is it me or every time you get like into a race or something, or just going really fast, you just get so your adrenaline just shoots up really high and get all shaky and stuff. Whew, gotta calm down a little bit. Since my cats are gone, I really don't mind the smell at all. I'm actually pretty used to it. Doesn't bother me whatsoever, so it's actually pretty cool. When I put my PCDs on, I think that first day of driving, jeez, all the bikes are out. First day of driving, on the way back home, my check engine light did come on. It was saying bank 1, sensor 2, slow response or something. So I erased it. I parked somewhere and I erased it, and then it never came back on. Then another day, the next day I drove it again, and I got another code for the front bank sensor 2, P0158 or something. I erased that also, and hasn't come back yet. So watch out, guys. You guys put on these PCDs, your code may come on, but just erase them. Felt like I got a tin can for exhaust, guys. Oh man, it's so raspy. But it's definitely much louder, guys. My exhaust is so much louder. And also, definitely, I feel more power, definitely. Uh-oh, come on. Thought you were gonna pull out. Definitely more power. I see you, TL, on the 4G. So, I dropped it down to second gear, and I think we were doing like a 40 roll or something. And that's when we raced. But I really feel like once I get to third gear, that's really where the TL's power really come in. Sheesh, man, looks so clean. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching, man. Definitely, I'm trying to bring out that fire content for you guys. I know somebody was asking what was my 0 to 60 time now. I'll definitely get you that time that you want one of these days, but for now I gotta figure out an app or whatever device I can use to measure that time. Thank you guys for watching, man. Y'all be safe. Subscribe for more, like my videos. Definitely try to get you guys more content in the future. It's coming, guys. Like I said, man, it's coming. All right, peace, y'all.